All right, here we go. Got the Barnes Vor-Tx. We're at about 40 yards. I'm just gonna do a penetration test. Just making a quick observation here on the Barnes Vor-Tx 45 Colt. That is a straight shooting bullet. I mean, you seen that hollow point? Yeah, it went low, but it never scraped the wood. It entered the clay, parachuted open, hit this water jug. You see where it hit the level, and it stayed level on all of that. Never veered off course. So that's another little side note with that Barnes Vor-Tx. If you are looking for something in the 45 Colt that you want to hunt with, that's pretty damn reliable so far, here we go. Like I said, I mean, there's the flight plan. There's your flight plan right there after expansion, after impact. It is straight on the money, level, not veering off, not doing anything. That's nice.